Thinking about adding a motorized louvered pergola to your home? It's a great idea for enhancing your outdoor space. But before you jump in, it's wise to know some common mistakes people make. Avoiding these can save you lots of problems and ensure you get exactly the pergola you're hoping for. This guide will walk you through the most common mistakes when buying a motorized pergola and provide practical ways to avoid them. We'll discuss how to choose the perfect motorized aluminum pergola that suits your climate, your budget, and your lifestyle. One of the most significant problems when selecting a motorized louvered pergola is selecting materials that aren't quite right for your local weather conditions. Many homeowners focus on how a pergola looks more than how well it performs, which can lead to early damage and costly repairs down the road. If you live by the coast, specific material considerations are vital. Salt air quickly causes metals to rust if not treated, while humidity can affect wood structures. This is where aluminum pergolas with powder-coated finishes truly excel, offering superior resistance to these challenging conditions. For areas with extreme temperature changes, you need materials that can expand and contract without compromising the structure's integrity. Aluminum pergolas perform well in these environments due to their stability and minimal maintenance needs. Sometimes, initial cost savings can distract you from expensive maintenance requirements later on. Cheaper materials often demand regular treatments, replacements, or repairs that can end up costing more over the lifespan of the pergola than choosing premium options. It's often more economical to evaluate the total cost of ownership rather than just the upfront price. Low maintenance options like powder-coated aluminum eliminate the need for annual staining, sealing, or painting. These materials also resist fading, warping, and pest damage that can affect traditional wood structures. Gapless louver systems offer better weather protection than older designs. When closed, they form a tight seal that blocks water and reduces noise. This precision engineering creates seamless surfaces that prevent water infiltration during storms. Dual wall designs add strength and cuts down on sound, especially in windy conditions where single wall systems can vibrate or rattle. This construction method enhances structural integrity while minimizing operational noise. Also, it's important to check wind and snow load ratings. For example, Azenco Outdoors R-Blade Pergola handles up to 100 pounds per square foot of snow and 190 mile-per-hour winds, bringing year-round peace of mind. Many homeowners don't understand how much smart features can enhance their outdoor living experience until the pergola is installed. Integrated weather sensors can automatically adjust the louvers in response to rain, wind, or temperature changes, protecting your outdoor furniture and maintaining comfort without any manual effort. Scheduling tools let you align pergola settings with your daily routine, like opening the louvers for your morning coffee or closing them before an afternoon storm. Smartphone apps, voice control, and compatibility with home automation systems make operating effortless. Brands like Azenco Outdoor offer motorized pergolas equipped with these advanced features, helping you enjoy your outdoor space with precision, comfort, and ease. Many buyers think that all louvered pergolas provide the same level of weather protection. However, there are vast differences between basic and premium performance systems. Not doing enough research can lead to disappointing results, especially in severe weather conditions. Gapless louver designs and integrated gutter systems create weather protection. These features prevent water infiltration while effectively directing precipitation away from the structure and surrounding areas. Quality weather protection extends beyond just keeping rain out. Premium systems maintain structural integrity during high winds while providing reliable shelter for outdoor furniture and gatherings. Local building codes vary quite a bit from region to region, particularly in areas prone to hurricanes. Miami-Dade NOA certification indicates that products meet strict wind resistance requirements. Similarly, snow load calculations ensure structures can withstand winter conditions safely. For example, Azenco Outdoors R-Blade Pergola is Miami-Dade NOA certified, making it an excellent choice for hurricane-prone regions that require tested wind resistance. Professional installation by certified dealers ensures compliance with local regulations and maximizes your pergola's structural performance. Always verify installer credentials and manufacturer certifications to protect your investment. Budget-conscious buyers often look at initial cost, overlooking long-term value. This approach frequently results in buyers choosing cheaper products that result in more maintenance and issues down the line. High-quality motorized louvered pergolas feature superior materials, advanced engineering, and comprehensive warranties that justify a higher initial investment. These systems also include professional installation and ongoing support services. The investment in premium materials and engineering pays dividends through the enhanced durability, better performance, and reduced maintenance requirements over the pergola's lifespan. Installation complexity can vary significantly between products and locations. Simpler installations might need minimal site preparation, while complex projects could require electrical work, structural modifications, or permit approvals. It's always best to obtain detailed quotes that include all potential expenses to prevent unexpected costs. Warranty coverage is another critical cost consideration. A comprehensive warranty should protect against manufacturing defects, weather damage, and component failure. Limited warranties, on the other hand, might leave homeowners responsible for expensive repairs. Consider ongoing maintenance costs when evaluating different options. Low-maintenance materials like aluminum reduce long-term expenses compared to wood structures that require regular treatments. Off-the-shelf pergolas rarely complement existing architecture or landscape perfectly. Standard dimensions, limited color options, and generic styling can create disconnected outdoor environments that might even take away from your property's value. Custom pergola designs can address specific architectural styles, space constraints, and personal preferences. These custom-made solutions integrate seamlessly with existing structures while reflecting your individual tastes and functional needs. Consider how your pergola will look from inside your home as well as from the yard. Proper design integration enhances both curb appeal and daily enjoyment of your outdoor space. Modular design systems allow for future expansion or modification as your needs change. Features like integrated lighting, privacy screens, and heating elements can be incorporated during the initial installation or added later through compatible accessories. Louvered roof configurations affect both appearance and performance. The angles, spacing, and materials of the louvers influence the amount of light, ventilation, and weather protection provided. Think about how you plan to use your outdoor living space. Different configurations work better for dining areas, entertainment spaces, or quiet relaxation zones. Selecting a manufacturer with a certified dealer network like Azenco Outdoor ensures your pergola is going to be installed correctly and up to building codes. Local certified dealers provide buyers a level of quality and assurance that protects buyers from low-quality products and poor support. Established manufacturers typically offer comprehensive warranties, replacement parts, and trained service technicians. Thoroughly research potential suppliers by examining previous projects, reading customer reviews, and verifying professional certifications. Additionally, local references can provide a valuable insight into installation quality and ongoing support. Don't hesitate to ask for examples of completed projects in your area. Professional installation is key to ensuring optimal performance and longevity of motorized systems. Proper leveling, electrical connections, and component calibration require specialized knowledge and tools. This is why DIY installations often void warranties and can even create safety hazards. Skilled installers understand local building codes, site preparation requirements, and manufacturer specifications. Their expertise helps prevent common mistakes that could compromise structural integrity or system functionality. Quality installation includes proper drainage setup, electrical work, and precise louver calibration. These technical aspects significantly impact your pergola's long-term performance and reliability. Even low-maintenance pergolas require occasional care. Electrical connections should be cleaned and inspected, and motorized parts should be lubricated for best quality of use. Fortunately, aluminum pergolas resist rust, fading, and pests, unlike wood, and can be easily cleaned with soap and water to maintain a proper aesthetic. Avoiding mistakes when buying a motorized aluminum pergola requires research, proper guidance, and proper budgeting as well. Ready to bring your outdoor vision to life? Contact a local certified dealer and they'll bring you a tailored quote with expert guidance and no commitments.